Hello and welcome to this video. I am Dr. Subayil Khan, and in this video we will be doing a crypto market and news update. So Ethereum continues to make all-time highs and has risen above the 4,000 US dollars level. Bitcoin seems to have started to get upwards momentum also, and it is moving towards the $60,000 level very fast. So the second wave of the altcoin season continues on, with Hobby token making big moves to the upside and has crossed the 30 US dollars level already. Many coins in the top 20 have broken all-time highs, and when that happens, the coins enter price discovery and things can start going parabolic. Moreover, Cardano continues upward price action, making new all-time highs, and I believe that it will soon surpass 2 US dollars psychological level due to a lot of coming updates. Also, many mid-cap and low-cap coins have either surpassed the previous all-time highs or else continue their surge towards upside to eventually break their previous all-time highs as the second wave of the altcoin season in this bull run continues on. There have been good gains for the hodlers of many mid-cap and low-cap coins like Rivian, EOS, Qtum, Yen Finance and Lisk due to the bullish sentiment. And we can see that on coin market caps. So many mid-cap coins in the top 100 have shown big gains in the past 7 days. Also, there are some interesting news in the past 24 hours related to NFTs, Bitcoin ETFs in USA, and some good news regarding the acceptance of the potential impact of distributed ledger technologies by the US government. We are in the euphoria, which is evident from the fact that dogecoin has seen astronomical gains. So in today's market and news update, we will look at the market through various angles to give us a good, well-rounded view of the state of the market and the stage of the current market cycle also. Before I proceed, I do appreciate if you kindly like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so that you can get the notifications of such videos as soon as they are released. We cover under the radar projects before the hype and traction to help you in doing your own research and making enormous gains. I do cryptocurrency videos every week. On this channel, we aim at making moves before the herd. We covered Cardia chain when it was just 2 cents and gave viewers over 8x returns. Also, we covered VeChain and many other projects before the astronomical price increase, and this is what makes this channel so unique. We like to be ahead of the herd. So as far as the current state of the market is concerned, Bitcoin price is moving upwards towards 60k level, and now if the attention again goes back to Bitcoin, we will see stagnation in the price of many altcoins as the Bitcoin dominance will increase as a consequence, and all the eyes will again be focused on Bitcoin. As I mentioned yesterday, Bitcoin got boring for the market in the past few weeks, resulting in the upward rally of many altcoins like Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot, and other altcoins in the top 20. So, is the focus of the market shifting again to Bitcoin, which has been trading mostly in the range of 50 to 60,000 US dollars for quite some time now? Surely time will tell, and as more and more BTC supply is getting locked by the institutions, we might get supply shock and get parabolic moves if the demand also picks up simultaneously. We must remember that just locking of coins and supply shortage means nothing unless there is a demand simultaneously at the same time, which will push the price upwards. So Ethereum is continuing its upward momentum, making new all-time highs, and the expected supply shock resulting from institutional accumulation, locking in DeFi, and hodling by investors has not only helped it in breaking the psychological level of 4,000 US dollars already, but is resulting in new all-time highs. I am very bullish on Ethereum, and I believe that we will see the price of Ethereum between 6,000 US dollars and 10,000 US dollars during the coming 8 to 12 weeks. Even with the gas fee issues and slow transaction speeds, the overall sentiment of market is bullish, and when the EIP 1559 upgrade is finally done, we will see Ethereum at a price of over 10,000 US dollars in this bull run. So as we can see, the volatility of Dogecoin has been immense during the past 7 days, and after the recent dump, Elon Musk announced that Dogecoin will be the first cryptocurrency to space, and also the acceptance of Dogecoin as payment for that mission. We will come to those news later on. Also, Mark Cuban mentioned that in just one day, people used Dogecoin to pay for merch to such an extent that it surpassed what people paid in Ethereum and Bitcoin for the merch in whole year, which is just insane. And even if I like it or not, my opinion and opinion of some other people who think that Dogecoin is a useless coin simply does not matter. The perception of value which matters is that of the market, and anything is at the end of the day worth as much as the market thinks it is worth. Of course, in a bull run, investors chase the assets which go up in price with such a speed that it creates a FOMO, and the bear market is full of emotion of fear, anxiety and stress, as we all know. So on one hand, due to insane FOMO of Dogecoin and hyperbolic price increase, I believe that many people will lose a lot of money, which is sad, but at the same time, it is good for crypto space because cryptocurrencies are finally getting attention of masses, institutions and big companies. And as we can see, Ontology, Ethereum Classic and Lisk are also getting attention now, since they have survived a bear market and have not been getting as much attention as Polkadot and Cardano. But finally they are getting attention, resulting in good price pumps in the past weeks. Surely the space of blockchain platforms for programming dApps is getting crowded, but the adoption is also increasing simultaneously, and we will definitely enter a stage where we will see ecosystems of blockchains where massive value will be co-created and co-produced via the collaboration of dApps in different ecosystems, resulting in new services which will impact various industries. So the era of blockchain adoption has already started. And after the market update, we will now cover the major news in the past 24 hours. So let's go ahead. So the first news of today are Dfinity's Internet Computer Token ICP launches straight into the top 10 cryptos. After 5 years in development, Dfinity Foundation has finally launched its highly anticipated blockchain and governance tokens. So Dfinity Foundation, a blockchain startup that aims to revolutionize the World Wide Web by creating a decentralized internet computer, has launched its long-awaited governance token ICP, and it has already landed amongst the top 10 cryptos following a day of trading carnage. According to crypto metrics CoinMarketCap, ICP's average price surged to around $730 almost immediately after its launch and dipped to as low as $146 in just 40 minutes, which is insane. By now, after a turbulent day of trading, the token's price has stabilized to around $400 mark. So in my opinion, it is good to see such projects of great potential which will eventually enhance the adoption of blockchain technology. But I think the price action of ICP token was not just a result of its fundamentals, but also because of the overall bullish sentiment of the cryptocurrency market. And the second news for today are CryptoPunks NFTs sell for $16.9 million at Christie's auction. It is the first big NFT sale at Christie's since the $69 million Beeple sale in March. That is insane. In brief, 9 CryptoPunks NFTs auctioned at Christie's fetched $16.9 million in total. CryptoPunks are amongst the oldest and most coveted NFTs. A collection of 9 rare CryptoPunks sold for $16.9 million during an auction at Christie's in New York tonight. So we covered CryptoPunks briefly in one of the videos related to my best NFT picks in 2021. This is indeed insane to see that the perception of value can be so different for different people. On the surface, what seems to be pixelated pictures that a kindergarten kid can draw are in fact so valuable. Indeed, value is a matter of perception, isn't it? And the next major news are EOS up 46% as Block.one invests $10 billion in exchange. Wow. So the price of EOS token is up, but development on the network has been down. Can an EOS integrated exchange help? Well, in brief, the new exchange starts with a pile of cash, Bitcoin and EOS. The starting capital is not far from the size of EOS market capitalization. So in my opinion, it is indeed great for EOS and its ecosystem, which can also start creating new all-time highs just like other blockchain 3.0 platforms in this bull run. It is definitely worth keeping an eye on the major news and developments of the EOS platform and its ecosystem too. And these are very interesting news, and I will come to my own opinion later on. So, will loser coin be China's answer to Doge? I am a loser coin baby, so why don't you shill me? Loser coin LOWB has China's crypto circles buzzing. But I would like to say that in this case, who will be the Chinese Elon Musk, who will invert the perception of junk so that the herd can follow and buy it with blind faith afterwards. And the next major news are SEC staff calls Bitcoin highly speculative, hints at ETF skepticism. SEC staff intend to determine whether the Bitcoin futures market could accommodate ETFs, the note said. So the US Securities and Exchange Commission SEC hinted that the market's volatility may mean it is not yet ready to support an exchange traded fund, though it is monitoring the digital asset sector and is seeking input. So Bitcoin is a highly speculative asset, the staff statement published Tuesday by the Division of Investment Management said. The note warned that investors in mutual funds that trade Bitcoin futures may be taking on more risk than they are aware of. Of course, in my own personal opinion, high risk always comes with high rewards. So in my opinion, yes, I agree that Bitcoin is very volatile and one should invest what one can afford to lose. But high risk comes with high rewards too. So I believe after a few market cycles, Bitcoin price might not be as volatile as it is now. But time will tell what comes in 5 to 10 years, since currently people think Bitcoin as the store of value instead of the peer-to-peer cash as it was originally intended to be. So we will see if the perception of people remains the same or evolves or becomes totally different in the future. And the next major news are stablecoins like USDC see growing demand in Latin America, Bitso CEO. So Latin America are increasingly turning to stablecoins as a store of value. So it is good to see that stablecoins are getting popularity, but main problem which many countries will face is inflation, as we have already seen in the case of Argentina and Venezuela. So with the massive printing of fiat currencies, I believe that many countries will suffer from hyperinflation, which, as I mentioned earlier, has happened in the case of Argentina and Venezuela. And finally, some antidote has to surface. Currently, Bitcoin seems to be the currency of choice for countries suffering from hyperinflation. And the last major news for today are Papa John's Pizza is now offering £10 in free Bitcoin to UK customers. Although fast food and Bitcoin don't usually mix well, Papa John's is introducing a limited offer to get free Bitcoin. So in my opinion, such initiatives by different companies will give cryptocurrencies more visibility, and I believe many other companies might actually follow this initiative to enhance the interest of their customers by giving them something which is discussed a lot in the media. I hope that you enjoyed today's market overview and news update. I do appreciate if you kindly like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so that you can get the notifications of such videos as soon as they are released. We cover under the radar projects before the hype and traction to help you in doing your own research and making enormous gains. I do cryptocurrency videos every week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.